Page 160, preparing for algebra. This is standard measurements of weight. And our American standards, we use ounces, pounds, and tons. The conversions, for example, of 16 ounces equals 1 pound. 2,000 pounds equals a ton. So go ahead and answer the questions. See if you can come up with some items out of your home that might be 1 ounce or might be several pounds, and so you have that reference. Okay, and we'll see you on the next page. 61, we're on standard measurements of weight. 16 ounces equals a pound, 2,000 pounds equals a ton. Like the descriptions previous page, go ahead and convert these weights in terms of, for example, 1.5 pounds in terms of ounces would be, right, 16 ounces to a pound. So I'll let you figure that out. And then there's a few little word problems here. We're going on to capacity and volume. And the difference between the two can be very easily summed up as the capacity is how much a container can hold. For example, a gallon holds 16 cups. And the volume is what's left in the container of the fluid that you're measuring. So in the case of this example, volume is measured by the space taken up by the 8 cups of milk that are left in the gallon. I bet you also have heard of other measurements, right? Cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. So go ahead and look through these conversions. 2 cups equals a pint, 2 pints equals a gallon, and 4 quarts, equals a gallon. So go ahead and convert these units in terms of pints, quarts, cups. Okay. Page 163 is a continuation of 162. This is measuring capacity. And the same examples at the top. 2 cups equals a pint, 2 pints equals a quart, 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. There's a really good example I want you to walk through and practice conversion problems below. And that finishes us on this particular little YouTube. All right. Ring the bell, subscribe, buy a book, all of that. Okay, thank you.